And we're back on our Project Ranger, guys. Have a little problem. Our antenna's gone. And so we went down to the Walmart, bought ourselves an $8 universal replacement. Now, I've dug around in there a little bit, thinking I could just replace with a stock unit, and there's a nice fancy little plug-in in there. Well, there's not. When this truck was new, it was bass, didn't have a radio. Dealer put one in, so this is just an aftermarket junk that's on here as well. So we're going to replace it again with aftermarket junk and hope for the same type of longevity. So what we're going to do is we're going to undo this guy, just kind of route it through the same way this was, and go from there. So come along, let's see what happens. So it comes out, there's a little tiny hole inside here, so I'm thinking I'm going to cut this off, and then we're just going to use some tape to tape to this guy and see if we can pull it all through. From there, honestly, that is the hard part, because everything else is just kind of ran through the door that I've noticed. I'm thinking this guy just unscrews. Oh yeah, so if we get that down in the hole like that, it'll pull up just kind of like that one did, and then we can attach it with our top piece, and bam, we're in business, folks. Let me get some cutters and some tape. Just gotta make sure this will fit. Should be the optimal word. Everything should. I don't know of any other way to access this panel. That's why we're just using the old one here as a fish tape. We're just going to go like that, just kind of wrap it all up. It's a very short distance in there, so all I have to say is the struggle is real, folks. There we go. Okay, it's close in there, so I mean it's really just in. And we got it. So now from there, it's just that's nice. Comes with a little chafer guy. Why don't we just wrap up all this right here, and then we'll route all the cable through where it needs to go. Sideways, down, and up. pull a little bit. Just pushing on it to give a little bit of pressure so I don't drop anything where I don't want to drop it. Trying to adjust it. Kind of want that, you know, the antenna straight in there, so. Just get a little crescent wrench here. Snug it down. Now, let's see here. It came with a bunch of adapters and stuff. I'm just going to go with the rubber doodad it came with. Woo! Super flexy. Put one of the adapters in there. I mean, we're talking. I mean, this, I don't know, what do you guys think? Honestly, the antenna was seriously, the whole assembly was $8, so I honestly don't see a problem with it. It is going to work for our purpose intended. Got everything fished through there. Now we're going to open the door, fish everything through the cap. All right, so when I was first going over this truck, I got our seat down in here. They had just some wire right here. And I'm like, what is that? And come to find out, it's all the antenna stuff for the radio. So let's go ahead and let's get that pulled through. Now, it's fighting me up top. Of course it's fighting me up top. There. Just where we're a little larger, we're having everything kind of taped together. There's the red. Make sure nothing's in the engine compartment, which it shouldn't be anymore. Okay, it is all the way through. I'm just going to put the hood down here. That way we'll get better light to the cap. So probably my next step is just going to pull the radio out and fish everything through and plug it in. I'm just going to sit here and do it. So there's two bolts that go under here. I don't know why. Guess what? They're missing on this truck. So I'm going to unplug the radio. it's under a bunch of stuff here. It's making it hard to pull. Just trying to get kind of the straightest pull I can in here. Comes out simply just by pushing 2 tabs in. As you can see here, came undone. Quite all right. Just gonna undo the tape. If we can. Jeez. Tape this up anyway. Did they know we're gonna be taking it off again? There we go. Now, run it behind. There's the old one that we cut. It's gone. Plug this guy in the back of the radio. It fits. Kind of just stick our slack back up in there. Push that back in. There you go, guys. That's job done. I mean, really the hardest part was tightening down the actual mast to everything. Super easy. We have a functional antenna now. That looks, yeah, it looks like an antenna. And there you go, guys. Job done. Stay tuned. If you like what you saw, give us that thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. And again, stay tuned for more. Also, in the comments, guys, let me know what else you want to see on our Project Ranger. Also, we're wrenching on this every now and then. Let me know if you want to see anything on the BMW E46, and we can see if we can accommodate that for you guys. Anyway, again, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you later.